Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Mac Pro. Now this isn't a brand new Mac Pro. I ordered this from Apple's Refurbished store and saved about $700. This is the 2.8 gigahertz quad core version. So it's not the most current quad core, but it was current up till about a month ago. And but I saved about $700 off of the current quad core. I went with the Mac Pro because, as you can see behind me here, I have a 2007 iMac. It's been a great computer, but I want the expandability of a Mac Pro. And I've been researching them, and I've always wanted one. So I finally got one. And let's get on with the unboxing. Cutting the tape. I'm going to have to figure out a specific place to put this thing. I'd like to put it on top of there, but I don't know if it'll hold. Okay, first off we're greeted with the styrofoam that has the keyboard. It just says Apple certified. I think this is the wired keyboard, yep. Which I probably won't. I won't be using this because I already have a wireless keyboard. There should also be the Magic Mouse, which is nice. I already have one too, and documentation. And I'll set that off to the side right now. Also, we have the power cable and keyboard extension USB cable, which I won't be using. And the unit itself. It's pretty heavy. It weighs about 40 pounds. Get this box out of here. Seems to be in excellent shape so far. Yeah, on the front we have two optical bays. This one's full, this one's empty. Power button, headphone jack, two USB 2.0 ports, two FireWire 800 ports. On the back there is power adapter input, the latch to open up the side panel, and three open PCI Express ports, the video card, which has one DVI and two mini display ports. We got three USB 2.0, two FireWire 800, optical audio in, optical audio out, microphone in, analog audio out, and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. And that pretty much sums it up. So, yep. Mac Pro. I'll probably be doing another video on the first boot maybe, and I also have a monitor on the way. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.